your H2O2 plus O3 gives you H2O and twice O2, and here H2O2 and your silver oxide Ag2O gives you twice Ag plus H2O plus O2. So you have to find what is the role of peroxide in both the equations. So either is it oxidizing in one and reducing in two, or both in reducing in one and oxidizing in two. So you have to find the thing. So how will you find? You will have to find the oxidation number. So or you have to write the oxidation number again. See here, the oxidation number here is ozone is 0. Okay, so this is also 0. Now see, for hydrogen this is plus 2 minus 2. Okay, see, in peroxide linkage, normally oxygen has minus 2 valency. Okay, but in case of your peroxide, hydrogen, see, this is your hydrogen peroxide. So in case of peroxide, it will be minus 1. So if it is minus 1, so hydrogen is plus 2 out here. Okay, then it forms here your 0, water is 0. Now see, from oxygen minus 1, what happens? It is getting your becoming 0. So it is hydrogen peroxide. What happens? The oxygen here from minus 1, it is coming to 0. So 0, it is oxidation is taking place. Loss of oxygen, is it not? From minus 1 to 0, loss oxidation is taking place, but this one acts as a reducing agent. Okay, so what is the definition of reducing agents? Reducing agent is something which helps others to lose but itself gains it. Okay, so see here, minus 1 oxygen, okay, here, but here it is 0. So this one it helps others to lose but itself it is gaining it. So it is acting as a reducing agent in number 1. Remember that whenever the process is oxidation, the reagent which is taking part will be your reducing in nature. If the process is reduction, then the left hand side particle left hand side reagent will be your oxidizing in nature. So now see again, for in this case H2O2 and Ag2O. Okay, so again here minus 1 plus 2, and it is forming 0, 0 and 0. Okay, here it is minus 2 again, so it should be plus 1. Okay, so what happens to hydrogen peroxide? It is minus 1, again it is forming your 0. So again the same thing, it is happening, minus 1 to it, loss of electron, oxidation is taking place, process is oxidation, and the substrate which helps others to lose is called your reducing agent. Okay, so remember that when the process is your oxidation, the substrate is your reducing agent. When the process is your reduction, the substrate is your oxidizing agent. So this is the difference between your oxidizing agent, reducing agent, oxidation and reduction. So it is both reducing in both the cases. So it is your option number C. So